Hello everyone. So today I'm in Home Depot and I actually came to Home Depot because I wanted to buy a sunflower. I really wanted to plant sunflower in my garden and in my front yard and the backyard. So I thought, I'll get a sunflower plant from the Home Depot, and this is actually the place where I mostly buy my house plants and indoor plants and the outdoor plants. And this is their indoor plants section. So here's a little tour inside. They really have variety of indoor plants, and I really love the plants. Like the collection they have. They really have nice collection, nice pretty plants for your indoor garden. And here's a little tour. So I got my sunflower and I'm heading back home, and this is the place where I shop for plants, mulch, and all or whatever I need for my planting and for my garden area. So this is the place where I shop. So this is a self-watering pot, but I am adding little hole at the back for the drainage system in the pot. And here I'm making the potting mix. I'm just mixing some sand with the soil, and I only use sand in the first and the second layer of the soil, and I'll mix it well. And I don't use too much of sand, but I'll use like little bit of sand and some green tea powder or green tea leaf in the soil. I'll just make a nice mixture of it for my indoor plants, and then I'll pot them. So here I'm making the mixture, and I use some fertilizers from the store as well, but I don't get the liquid fertilizer and other kinds of fertilizers, the expensive ones. I just buy the small, the spikes. You get the small fertilizer spikes which you can just insert inside the soil. So I'm adding that, and here we are planting our house plant. So this is my pot number 2, and here I'll be adding peace lily in this one. And I am using an organic soil mixture, and in the first and the second layer of the soil I have added sand, and I just use some green tea leaf and green tea powder. and I'll just mix it well, and then I use some fertilizer sticks, some fertilizer spikes which you get in the market, like at the store, and you can just add them, insert them in the soil deep, and then you can just plant your plant, and it's easy. You don't have to do like anything extra. And here is the peace lily which I'm adding, and it's easy to grow, it's beautiful. It gets nice, flower, like it gets like, nice flowers in white color, and they just look so pretty. And in the planting process, I just understood one thing is that, if you take care of your plant really well, and if you just give them right amount of water, good amount of light, even if your plant is indoor, just placing them near the light bulb, or placing them near a window, and just protecting them from the harsh light, because house plant doesn't like too much bright light, like they cannot bear too much of sun. That's why they are house plants. So if you just try to give them what they want, it's better to follow the instructions. It's better to follow the instruction which comes with them. There's a little piece of tag which comes with your plant, and it gives you the instructions. So it's better you go through the instruction, how to plant them, what to do for the plant, so it will be better for your plant. And I guess the most important thing is that pampering your plant and giving most love and care to the plants you have it is also very good, because they need care. You cannot just avoid them, just planting them, or just putting water whenever you feel like. Oh, that is also not right, because they need the water in right way, they need water in right amount. And here I'm adding some hydrogen peroxide, and I guess I'm pronouncing it right, I don't know. So I'm just adding little bit of drops, and I have like added some water in a little cup, and I'm adding like few drops of it, and I just mix it well in water, and then I'll just add on the plant. So I do not add too much. It says that it just gives the root a nice nourishment, so I add them. But I do not add this mixture in any plants which which is like like tulsi plants, and like the vegetable plants. You never put this mixture. I just use this mixture in the indoor plants and the outdoor plants, like the one which are like more for the the like the fancy plants, which are more for adding some decor and beauty to the home and the outdoor garden. So this is what I do. So I personally whatever I'm doing, I'm just talking about me and myself, that how I do it. And there are many ways over internet, people do it in different ways. So I guess like everybody's experience is different. So I'm just talking about myself, that how I do it. Maybe sometimes I can also do mistakes. If you guys want to add anything which I should do for my house plants and for my indoor and outdoor plants, please comment below, so even I get to know that what you guys are doing. And this way I can add some more to my plants which they want. And hope you guys like the video, and thank you for watching. And this is the sunflower which I purchased from the Home Depot, so I thought I'll just add some pictures of it. And these are my pretty flowers which are growing beautifully in my garden. These are in my backyard, and I just love planting. I just feel so good after I see my plant growing and thriving beautifully. I love it. And these are all my house plant collections which I have, like as of now, which the new ones which I got. And here's Walter saying hi to you guys, and we are on a little walk outside. And thank you for watching my video. Bye guys, stay safe.